Got the truck almost all the way back together. Oil's changed, oil filters changed. Fuel filter on the engine's changed. Fuel filter on the rail has not been changed yet. Tires aired up from 40 to 80. The coolant's been topped off. Oil's topped off. Got this fancy thing down here. Ugh, stainless 4-inch. Got nice MBRP tip on here, a 5-inch tip. We're about ready to take this thing out and get it warmed up and get the coolant finished, topped off, and see how it does. It's alive! There's no smoke. Just got done with the test run here after I filled up the antifreeze and oil. It actually runs really, really good. It still has a tune on it from the previous owner. I'm not sure what that tune is, if it's a hot tune or what, but it doesn't seem to mind that all the stuff fell off of the truck, and it already had a test pipe on it. So it sounds better now, absolutely, with that full exhaust. I'm kind of at a toss-up on if I should actually sell this now. It sounds like it runs okay. It may not. We'll find out. But everything else is all right. I still do need to get a new intercooler, or at least get this little guy here patched. There's a hole there. Otherwise, it ran great. The heater worked good. Wasn't leaking anything. It still hasn't leaked any oil. No, it wasn't leaking any coolant. Exhaust sounded really good. I don't know. It obviously needs some work down here on the body. The body's really beat up. It just really needs just a whole new bed. The bed's just, it's mangled. It needs all new panels, and I'm not going to cut all these out and spot weld sides of it on. It's just not worth it. And then on the inside, so it has a few things to take care of. That seat, I got a new seat cover. I just got to pull that off and put a new one on and get it cleaned out. Got a new cup holder. Has the cup holder in here. I can squeeze into this. This common problem. Your cup holder don't work no more. So I got a new cup holder from the junkyard. But to replace this, you gotta take this top piece out and then bolt this, and then everything has to come out completely to get to this thing, because it's screwed in from the back. It's just a horrible thing. Also, the sunroof doesn't work, so I'll have to drop the headliner and replace the sunroof motor parts, and then get it all detailed and cleaned out. It'll be a good truck for somebody, that's for sure. So for things to do on here, that tire needs to be put underneath. The mount is there. The tire looks good. It's holding 80 pounds. I just don't know why it's out. I'll have to find the tools, put it back, or acquire some. Otherwise, the fender liners on the front are back here. Those need to be put back. I was noticing back here on the hitch, the receiver, somebody tried, I don't know if they tried pulling out another truck or something or what. It's just gone. Looks like somebody tried welding it or something. I need a whole new receiver, and those I mean, you can just unbolt them underneath. It's just they're heavy and kind of a pain. And at junkyards, they're really difficult to get to. So really not a lot. I got those extra shocks. I'm not sure if I'm going to put those on or not. If I can go for the different set. Well, there was really not a lot left to do to this. Just clean it up. Get a new intercooler or patch it. So it's coming together. Yeah, I'm still kind of up in the air, and I kind of like it. I mean, it would tow anything I'd need for sure. Man, that box is just like the most wrinkled thing you'd ever see here on just both sides. And that's just huge dent. And same with the other side. I don't know. Let me know what you think. Should I keep it? Should I sell it? Should I drive it? I don't know. Seems to be a good truck. Man, I don't know. 6.4s make me nervous. All right. Just got the drive shaft off of the Super Duty. Notice I checked this earlier when it was still on the ground, and it had quite a bit of play to it. You can kind of see here. That's all the needle bearings are all worn out on this U-joint. This cap actually just fell right off as when I took it out. There's no needle bearings left in there. They're gone. This thing's worn completely down, and we can wiggle this side off. Check this side. Yeah, there's supposed to be grease in there. This side at least has some needle bearings left. They're nice and rusted, so that's not supposed to be. So I'll get this swapped out and put a new one on. At least fix this part of it. Might as well just replace the rest of the U-joints while I'm here with some good ones.